Welcome to Science with Ava Easy Experiments. Today, colored roses. The material that we are going to need in this experiment: food colorant, scissors, water, sugar is optional, and then a vase or a few glasses. The first step is to get the roses or to cut them. Then, the second step is to add food coloring into your glass. 5 or 6 drops are enough. If you want, you can also add a few more. Then, what you want to do is to add each rose to a glass. And optional, you can add a little bit of sugar so that the flower doesn't rot. And now we just need to wait for a few hours. So, to try to solve the problem that we have with this rose, because it's obvious that because this color is so strong, we're gonna try to add a bit of blue and see what happens. Okay? So, we're gonna mix in a little bit of blue and then we're gonna let it rest for a few more hours, and I will let you know. So, as we can see, even the pink flower has green, in this case, green pigmentation. Yeah, can you see? And then the yellow flower has red pigmentation around the edges, and the orange flower has blue pigmentation all over, and it looks like a formation.